Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, you all. Let me check first whether I'm audible or not. Let me check my mic. Mm, Wait for a minute, then we'll start the session. Today's 42nd session. Wait for a few minutes. Let me just check. Okay, I think I am audible. Yes, I'm audible. Now that's good. Now that's good. Let's start our today's trading session. Before trading, let me tell you, I'm just practicing over here right now. These are my practice session, and this is session number 42. And I'm doing this for past many days. And obviously, this is not an advice, but a practice session. If anybody else wanna practice with me, they can practice with me. And I'm starting with capital 2K. But my goal is I will trade every day twice with 2K each with each session. So I'm trading here with 2000 rupees per session, and now I have 2000 INR right here. So I'll be trading the four pairs: Bitcoin, gold, US dollar, and Ethereum. These are the four instruments that I'll be trading from here. And let us let us see whether my thing is working or not, whether I'm profitable or not. From the past 42 days, I see that I'm not being able to make that profit that much, but now I'm in a learning phase, and I'll try my best to learn all the mistakes the people do with their real money, and I'll be doing here with my paper money. But the one thing is important, that it isn't easy, to trade when you do not have that much capital, and when you don't have any capital. Right now, whenever you have the profits, you think that I should start trading with the real money, with a huge chunk of money. But the thing is, after the great high, there is always low. You go into that part from where you just started. So what I think is, from I'll start trading with real money when I'll be profitable in a week. If I have a profitable week, then I'll start trading with the real money. Until and unless that, I'll be practicing here, grinding over here right now every day, two session. Let's see whether I may being able to do my thing or not. If I'm not being able to do the thing, then I'll consider myself that I'm not doing the right thing. I'll learn and I'll start practicing more. Practice is the only thing that can make me profitable. Nothing else can. Let's see what Gold chart wants to say to us. If we see gold in particular, it has went up a good move. It has given the good move, and let's see what it will give in our near future. Mm, what I'm thinking right now is, it it can give us position in short. If we short it here right now, it can give us a little bit of profit. That's all what we need, right? Huh? Mm, one thing more, I do not want to get into the trade, in a hurry. What I want is to just wait for my trade. If there is an entry, then I'll get into it. If there isn't, then I'll wait. One thing more, I do not want to get into the trade, in a hurry. What I want is to just wait for my trade. If there is an entry, then I'll get into it. If there isn't, then I'll wait. Hmm. Gold looking good. Mhm. What I see in Ethereum, particularly in Ethereum, that it wants to go in a downside momentum. It has not, it does not have any particular momentum for upside. But let's see where it wants to go right now. We can hold it for a bit. You can see its momentum where it's gonna go right now. But what I'm thinking is to short this at this particular time. If we see, mm, uh, as it does not hold that upper momentum, and from that big up move, it just really came back where it was few hours ago. That really shows that it does not want to continue for a trend, and the current trend is downside, and I think it's going to respect that. Although in gold this is a good buying opportunity right now, and we can get benefit of it. Let's check. Let's see if my computer is responsive enough. I'm going to buy 0.03 lots right now, and my SL would be. Let me show you. Mm, I did bought here. And because my computer lags, my order got executed just right now. If it got executed when I tried it to, then I could have gotten a big more profit right now, more than right now. But that's okay. That's for practice, and we can work with it. Mm, Obviously, I do not get to complain, obviously, and I won't. I try. I won't. Although my target isn't that bad, it is damn achievable. And it's a good trade. That's what I think right now. It's not a bad one. But obviously, there shouldn't be my stop loss is the important thing. Stop loss is too big. Maybe I just have to close the trade. It obviously do not have any stop losses right now. Well, this will be the stop loss, what I think. Or maybe it just came up for the selling momentum. That's what I think. You know, for the price go up higher, and they can sell higher. Mhm. That's what I think. If it goes 500, then I think we'll be making a selling. Okay, 500, and I think I should sell only because of lag in my computer. I just get little bit late for my entries. The rejection it got from the top is immense. No, it's not small. And obviously I should have my SL over here right now. But my SL would be 400 rupees. And, I'll what my plan is in this trade is that I'll trail my profit. This is the big thing that you're asking. Well, let me see if I have the another opportunity to another entry for any trade right now or not. Huh? If we see in US oil right now, but it has given some big damn moves for upside. Almost 1.7% of moves. The amount of selling came here is damn good. Let me check if we can get another further. Hmm. Or it was just you know, completing its fair value gap and then going upwards. No, I think it has done in these four previous candles. Or I take loss in it. We'll see about that too. Uh, mm, I went according to my theory. If it passes the 0.03 lot, then I'll cut my losses. If it does make move in my favor, then we could have then we can win big. That's my thinking right here. Let's see whether it goes against my trade or with my trade. I'm ready for to take losses. It's no such big deal. The thing is, it should close below this blue line if it really wanna go in my direction. If it doesn't, then if it doesn't closes that way, then I think I will close my 0.03 position right now, and I will take losses from my other lot, which has comparatively lesser lots. Hmm. Right. Hmm. I don't trust this candle right now. No, right here. I have the trust issues with this candle, but I'll wait. And the reason I sell here because the big wick I got from the above, the big selling that came, it did not allow the price to go any higher. That's why I just shorted my position there. And it is a good resistance zone now. Mhm. Sellers just waited to price go up for they can sell in a higher price range, and they just sold there. There's a big chunk of selling position over there. That's why. And what I think it can move up to. Mhm. If we can go, then I will wait for this target to be achieved. I will be happy if market touches my target. This is, I think, good opportunity to close my trades right now because what I have experienced from it that it will continue in this trend in this box right now. As you can see, this box right over here, this box. It will continue to trade in this box, and eventually I will not get anything. But the risk I'm taking In 15 minutes time frame, the MACD is pure bullish, and definitely it should be that way. Mm, I'm thinking I'm taking a gamble over here right now to just hold my position because one more thing I just noticed is this candle make the this candle moved more than the previous one, moved down more than the previous one, and this is the thing I think that is good for me as it moved further from the earlier one, and in the 5 minutes we can see the same thing. So I think I have a great position right over here, and I should hold this. If it doesn't give me my reward, then it's okay too. I will not complain at all. Here, what I think is whenever when this candle moves upside, then I short two more positions or 0.02 lots over here, short more positions right now. But I don't think it's fair that if I do this, then I'll no, I'll be gambling that I do not. Why I'll be gambling because I do not have that much of capital that I can do this. And now seeing this, this is hurting man. After seeing this, candle made such a big move. Mm, maybe I'm not implementing my strategy correctly, or I that's what I think. I'm not doing the right thing at the right moment that should be done. I don't know about that. I'm getting a feeling that I'm not doing the right thing right now. According to 1 hour time frame is that it should be going in a bullish pattern because it has completed its fair value gap over there, and now it should be going upside. But the thing is, the wig it has made over there, it is not that much big that it covers the all fair value gap. But right now, what I think, mm, maybe my thinking is little bit cooked, and I should you know revisit it whether where are the problem site away. Although I know that it will move in move in such gap, but the thing is, if I order made an order for shorting my position over here with the big lots, and if it moves a little bit higher, if it tries to break out, and if it at that particular moment of time, as my I do not have the much capital, then I can get blown away. And this is the much bigger problem that I have to deal with, is to save my capital over here. If I am not being able to do that, then there is no use of doing this. Well, let's see. I knew that it will, it is going to move in this time frame only, this thing only. Ha, ha, ha. If I know this, am I being able to capture the points that it is given right now? I see the pattern right over here, that what it is doing. Am I being able to capitalize on it? Hmm, that's the thing. It is accumulating right now because it has given such big move over the period of time, over the past few days. The big move it has given is big, but it needs time to recover. You can see buying coming over um, from the it has the buying started from here from 20th August and now is 1st September. It climbed up to 5% in these 10 days, and in these 10 days there are almost two holidays, right? Two weekends, I guess. Hmm. Although this time it has now I can now I have the confidence of shorting my position over here with the more capital because this big blue candle just completed a big fair value gap over here, and now these two candles is telling me to short more position over here right now. But I'm going to wait whether this should I wait. Wait, now what I'm thinking right now that should I short it here right now or I should wait it to wait for the price to go a little bit higher so that I can get a good price. That's the thing. But let's see what I'll get mm, or I will be just put away right now. If I see in Ethereum, it's a great opportunity for selling here right now, as the price is in bottom of its range. Mm, I have the feeling for going short over here, but I'm controlling this feeling that I shouldn't get into the FOMO. Right now, I'm getting FOMO. I should be holding that. I should be holding that. I should try holding that. That's the least I can do right now, of course. Mm. Let me check if I have the opportunity, if I have the entry in gold or. Hmm. If I see in US oil right now, uh-huh. If it wanted to go down from here, it should have made this big wigs over here right now, but it hasn't made any yet. All the wigs are just of a buying pressure, as we can all see here. I think, and definitely it has not given any indication of selling coming over here. It's just completing its fair value gap. That's what I think, and it is a good opportunity for making a good up move. That's what I was talking about. I could have achieved my target over here with. I should close my position over here right now. Should I? I think I should. Because it has support over here. Although, yeah, I think I did right. I'm not getting a fallacy. I do not want any. I do not want to get into that trouble that for small points I am willing to take the risk to raise my whole profit over here, and that's the thing.